Hi, this is Jean. I am here to explain about the workflow in Flipbeets Social Hub. Login and brand page settings. Firstly, I have to log in to access the admin panel, and here it goes, my Flipbeets admin panel. I can see here 3 major menus in the left side of my navigation. And it is Flip Page Settings, Payment, and Profile Settings. First, let me create a brand page. Click on the Add Brand page in the top right corner. Now I can see my brand page settings where I can customize accordingly. First, I can update my profile picture or my company logo. Next, I am creating my page URL link in Flipbeets as BMW. Coming to header settings, I will add my page title and tagline of my product or individual. Even I can modify the text and color options on my choices. Next, in feed settings, I have options for customizing colors and fonts for my feed titles, descriptions, profile name, and social icons. Along with I have extra options for changing background colors, patterns, or even customized backgrounds. Now I am ready with all my settings and submitting it. Thus automatically updates in my dashboard with brand name of BMW. Dashboard. Before previewing my brand page, here couple of menus which I have to go through. Page settings, where I can customize my brand page interface, includes feed customization. Add social tag. Here I can add and fetch all my social contents using hashtags and social URL links. Feed approval is one where I can pre-review and approve all my social feeds being curated from social networking sites. Display feeds menu is for screencasting my social hub feeds to the large displays and TV screens. Embed code can be used to display my social feeds in website, blogs, and various display screens. Page analytics helps me on quick statics in page views, feeds count graphically of my page. Deactive button can hold my brand page in stealth mode. Delete button completely removes the page. Along with these menus, I have provision to preview brand page in web mode or large screen mode. Add social tags. Add social tags page is where I have options of various social networks. Here I can add URLs and hashtags of my social sites to fetch the feeds. Example, I added Facebook URL and hashtags accordingly. Once I finish up with all my entries, I use Start Buffer button to initiate feeds fetching. Feeds approval, where I can check my unpublished, published and auto-publish and manual add feed option. In unpublished feeds, I can see feeds that are to be published. To moderate it, I can roll over a specified feed, and it displays the options for edit, publish, delete. Even I have multi-selection option for this task using the menus at top. Published menu is where I can see all my feeds being displayed to public. Even here I can moderate the feeds. Add feed is the one can create my own feed and publish it. With the auto publish, I can either display feeds to public using on and off button without moderation. In case if I need to access my previous menus, I can use this button in top left to navigate. Display feeds. Display feeds menu is for screencasting my social hub feeds to the large displays and TV screens. I can use multi-feed display or single feed display that has to be projected in screen. This below options are prefixed for multi-feed display, and here I have options whether to display header, logo, title. Next is I can customize the text display sizes of feed titles, descriptions and profile name. In feed theme, I have a choice of displaying feeds as image with text, or text only, or image only. I am choosing image with text. Feed animation, where I can choose feed presentation. Example, I am choosing slide in right from the list. Display scroll is an option to scroll the feeds in, page-wise or feed-wise. I prefer page scroll. Page delay is used to hold my displayed feed for specified time. I give 5 seconds. Feeds per page is where I can specify to preload the number of feeds to be showcased. I am giving count of 16. Feeds per row used to specify number of feeds to be displayed in a row, say as 4. In screen width, I can specify the pixel dimensions of my projected screen. And my choice is 1100 pixels. Recent feeds can be mentioned to display the latest rendered feeds, and I opt in for 20 recent feeds. Once done, click on the update, it will show the embed code with display view button, click on it. Here is the screencast of my feeds. This is a multi-feed display where it displays based on the inputs I given there. In case if I need to modify it, I can use menu on the top right and it's a auto hidden menu. Fine, this looks great. If we want to display single feeds, let me show you. Go back feed display formats. Click on single feed display. As I did in the previous way, I can use my required options, updating it, and I am clicking on display view. Here is the screencast of my feeds. And even here I have the option for modification by scrolling to top right of the screen. So, this feels great, right? Page Analytics gives me a quick glance on day-to-day page status, feeds updated and user traffic in graphically at one page. I can use this calendar to view specified duration statistics. Visitor count give me a graph of total visitors versus total duration. Feed Analytics gives a glance of total feeds from various social networks graphically. And feeds count based on total, published, unpublished, deleted and duplicate feeds. Can be viewed individually. Embed code. Embedded code is used to display the feeds in websites or blogs with the branding of Flipbeets or subdomain. I can generate the embed code by specifying width and height, pixel sizes and other filters given here. Then I can generate the code where I can use as per my needs. Thank you for watching this video.